Hello everyone, welcome to LM Professional, to our laboratory. Today we're here with Maurizio Liuzzi, our master shoemaker, and I am Ruben Scapin. Some of you may already know me. I work in the sales department at LM Professional. So today we're going to take a look at how to use our Lux, the gloss polish. We're going to interview Maurizio. So Maurizio, can you explain to us exactly what you're doing?
Allora, facciamo le varianti di lucidatura, cioè la classica, quella lucidatura a specchio con acqua e cera.
He says that we're going to do the two variations of a classic shoe shine, the one with wax and a drop of water.
O eventualmente una lucidatura rapida su delle lavorazioni un po' più semplici, diciamo da...
And a more quicker, fast polish on shoes that have already been worked. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to do just a quick polish on a pair of sneakers, leather sneakers that have already received dye and some Cera LM. However, we'd like to really give it a nice glossy polish. Let's take a look at the before picture. So this is what they look like now. And here we're going to add some Cera Lux brown color. Okay, so Maurizio, tell us, what exactly are you going to do?
In questo caso, invece di fare un procedimento classico,
so instead of doing a classic approach using the drop of water and so forth,
faremo una sorta di lucidatura rapida, in poche parole.
So basically, in just a few words, we're just going to do a very quick, fast polishing, giving it a high shine all over the leather of the shoe. So he's just taking it with his fingers, he's applying it all around, e quindi adesso tu lo applichi a mano
e poi la tireremo con uno straccetto, possibilmente già consumato, molto usurato, e se c'è anche un po' di colore non disturba, diciamo.
So once he's applied the wax all over the shoe, we're just going to use a simple rag. Even if it's well used, even if there are other colors on the rag, it's not a problem. For example, here he's using his lucky rag. And let's see. So what technique are you going to use? Che tecnica vuoi usare?
In questo caso è solo farla evaporare e dargli un po' di umidità, che è quella corporea.
So we're just going to try to get the wax to evaporate a little bit. And by blowing on it, you're still adding a little bit of humidity on the shoe. Polishing and brushing the shoe here. He's not applying a lot of force and pressure. It's more in the movement of his hand and on the speed of the polish. And here it is. This is the finished wax polish job. Now this is just a quick polish all around the shoe to give it this really nice effect. Now obviously before on the shoe we dyed it, used some stop crash to create some movement in the color. But at the very end we want to give it a nice high gloss shine. So that's it. It was that simple. We just in a few minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, we used Lux.
Eccoci, allora una volta effettuata la lucidatura classica la possiamo aumentare ancora di più a seconda della lucidatura che volete arrivare voi e aumentare gli spessori di cera con acqua che volete applicare.
So once you finish the classic procedure to polish the shoe, we're now going to give it the next little step to give it a high gloss shine. But he's going to use a particular technique using only his hand.
Però in questo caso la vogliamo finire così e l'ultima mano viene data con la mano, nel senso con l'umidità corporea.
So using his body heat and very fast movements of the hand, not creating any pressure on the shoe, we're just going to give it the last layer of shine. You can take a look at the difference. So this is using the classic method approach plus the hand technique using your bare hand, and this is a shoe, just a regular shoe.
Questa è stata solo lucidata con l'LM.
This was waxed only with Cera LM. Whereas this shoe, we use the classic approach using our Lux high gloss polish. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel today. Stay tuned for our next episode of new products from LM Professional.